Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to install a drain down kit. So you're going to need is a battery powered drill and an 8.5mm drill bit. Just be careful with this one, make sure the drill bit's not too sharp. If you don't know how to blunten one, just run it in reverse, that way you won't crack the pipe work. So for this one I've already blunted this one, so we'll go ahead. Just decide where you want to put it. I'm going to put it over here, which is already pre-marked. I'll just drill through. Make sure you don't have any swarf, sharp edges. That one's down. I'm going to grab the grubs. There's 2 grubs. Push those ones into the holes. And the second one. So I'm going to get 2 barbs. Make sure you use the short end and push into the grub until it goes in home. Second one, just like that. Sitting like that. Now we get the tube. Just push that one on. And this one on. Cool. If you want to shorten that one, you can. Just use a pair of scissors and push that on just to bring that in a little bit closer, but just make sure you've got a nice loop. That's how you do it.